Hey, welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. So it's winter 2024, January 2024. I don't know when I'm going to upload this video. Actually, it's super cold. The winter is batting thoroughly. Since Moko Sankranti, too much cold. So I have lots of work pressure luckily, and I'm really happy for that. But I really don't feel like cooking so many things at home. So what I did, I thought to try a recipe which is viral in internet. I saw it in YouTube, I saw it in Instagram, in Facebook as well. So the recipe is Shedo Dim Makha or Dimer Bharta. So I'm not wasting much time over here by talking. So let's go to the recipe. I tried the recipe and just try it. Hello and welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu with a very easy peasy recipe of Dim Makha or Dim Bharta. What is speciality of that? I have big anda red one, and the shopkeeper told me it has 2 yolks. Let me see, it's boiled one. One. Ta-da. No, this is only one, but that's okay, no issues. I'll break the another one. Oh, so sad. Another one is also one, so no issues. What I have this fried onion. I just fried it in ghee or clarified butter. Add a sprinkle of garam masala powder. I have this salt. Now I have to mash it. And I have this coriander leaf, green chili, and the last thing, so that is lime juice. That's it. So it's a mismatch. The special kind of Dim Makha is ready. Now I will add little bit of mustard oil because my father loves it. Try this recipe and let me know how it is.